Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume on a Pioneer Bluetooth radio. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust the volume. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is turn on your car or / Pioneer Bluetooth radio. And then on the left hand side here, you're going to see these plus and minus buttons. If you click on the plus button, this is going to increase your volume, and then if you click on the minus button, that is going to decrease the volume. Now, when you're adjusting the volume, there's going to be two volume sources. One is going to be called guidance, and one is going to be called CarPlay. Guidance is like the voice on your map. So when you're setting directions and there's a voice that says turn right, you can adjust the volume for that. And then there's a CarPlay volume adjustment, which is going to adjust the sound of your volume or music or radio. So while keeping that in mind, you could actually go ahead and adjust both volume sources. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the volume on your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.